During the Industrial Revolution, which began in the late 18th century, many things changed. It was as if the world had decided to press a fast-forward button, and everything started moving faster. At first, people lived on farms or in small places, doing everything manually. Clothes, for example, were made by hand, one stitch at a time, and it took a long time to make a simple shirt. But then, at the end of the 18th century, in England, some people had incredible ideas. They invented machines that could do things much faster than human hands. It started with spinning and weaving machines that could produce fabrics very quickly. Then came steam engines, which powered factories and could also move trains and ships. With these new machines, factories multiplied. Cities began to grow rapidly because many people left the farms to seek work in these factories. The streets became crowded with people hurrying to work. Trains puffed along, carrying people and goods from one place to another. So much novelty brought good things, like more products and jobs. But it also brought some problems. Factories released smoke and polluted the air, and many people worked for hours and hours in cramped, dark places. Still, the Industrial Revolution was a very important period as it transformed the way we live, work, and travel. The cars and airplanes we see today are results of those incredible inventions that kicked off more than 200 years ago. It's as if the world gained superpowers and transformed everything around us.